Congratulations. You have been selected. The payment is high, $3,000 per night. Your task is simple. You are not security. You are presence. The location is isolated. No civilians. No visitors. No explanations. There are reports, ritual markings, unscheduled deaths, unverified ceremonies. You are instructed not to investigate. Observation only. Every night, at exactly 2:17 a.m., the island becomes silent. No insects, no wind, no ocean. If you hear footsteps, remain seated. If you hear chanting, do not record. If your name is spoken, you have already been replaced, because no one is hired to watch the island. The island watches you.